The pump we sell in-house does require a remote reservoir, and so we did develop a bracket. If we take off the nut here on the back of the alternator bracket, and then there's a hole here, our bracket simply slides on like so, and you use a 10 millimeter down here, a 3/8 up here. You can talk to the engineer about why he did that. And then we'll be able to mount the reservoir onto here. Next, we're going to load up our reservoir bracket with our 20 millimeter, 10 millimeter bolts. Put the bolts on the back. We are now ready to install the reservoir. It has a set of these tabs that slide just right on there. We've gone ahead and installed the hose to go down there. I find it's easier to get the hose on there and then slide this over like so. You might trim it to fit however you want. I like a little bend, not too much where it kinks, and then you'll just slide the provided bands down and tighten those up.